In Kentucky, 4 tornadoes touched down. One of those twisters stayed on the ground for more than 200 miles. And this is a look at what that candle factory in Mayfield, Kentucky looked like before the deadly tornado struck. The factory had been, in fact, going 24/7, in part to meet Christmas time demand. This is what it looks like after the storm. After employees at the factory say they were inside a storm shelter when all of a sudden everything fell on them. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear said the storm killed at least 70 people in the state in the most severe tornado event in Kentucky's history. Eyewitness News reporter Naveen Dhaliwal has been following the latest efforts to get help for those devastated by this horrific storm. She's live now with that part of our coverage. Naveen?
Yeah, Sandra, crews are on the ground in Kentucky. A group from Team Rubicon, who helps with disaster relief, have 6 members there. Their immediate focus is safety, to clear the debris from roads and remove downed trees as rescuers work to save lives. The aftermath of a disaster is difficult to the eye.
Breathtaking in not a good way.
Kirby Willis, a volunteer with Team Rubicon, is one of 6 members on the ground in Mayfield, one of the town's tornadoes ripped through in Kentucky.
We're seeing many trees down, power lines down, and homes in various form of disarray.
Drone video shows the path of one tornado, homes disintegrated, leaving only the foundation and pieces of wood and debris scattered, while other houses barely touched.
It's tough to process, and it's going to take many days to rebuild.
Very likely even months, but right now the operations are at the early stages. PSEG crews in New York are on standby, and if called, they're ready.
To get the work done, to get debris cleared, to check for down power lines, and then ultimately to get the power back on.
Willis says they're working with the locals, clearing the debris and desperately searching for more survivors, all while dealing with obstacles.
A lack of power. There's a mass power outage across the majority of the area of Kentucky that we are currently in, as well as cellular service issues.
Whatever it takes to help a community at their time of need.
I think that we are in for a long haul, and it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot for us, but we're here to help.
Yeah, so much work to be done, and you can help those in Kentucky and the work Team Rubicon is doing. Head to teamrubiconusa.org. We also have a link on our website, abc7ny.com.